next one is smallpox. Smallpox was caused by the viruses Variola major and Variola minor. The initial symptoms of the disease included fever and vomiting. This was followed by formation of sores in mouth and skin rashes. Over a number of days, the skin rash turned into characteristic fluid-filled bumps with a dent in the center. Smallpox is thought to date back to the Egyptian Empire around the 3rd century based on smallpox-like rash found on 3 mummies. The earliest written description of a disease that clearly resembles smallpox appeared in China in the 4th. Early written descriptions also appeared in India in the 7th century. Humans are infected with the variola virus by coming in touch with droplets of a smallpox-infected patients. The death rate of this virus was about 30% with high rates among babies. Often, those who survived had extensive scarring of their skin and some were left blind. The reported number of smallpox cases between the years 1920 and 1978 already amounted to 11.6 million cases, and that number was certainly smaller than the actual number of cases. At the end of 18th century, British surgeon and physician Edward Jenner pioneered the first ever vaccination against the infectious disease. If scientists had not developed that vaccine, the reasonable estimates are in the range of around 5 million lives per year. Which implies that between 1980 and 2018, around 150 to 200 million lives have been saved.